how to fix cashapp verification, how to fix cashapp can't verify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you are still unable to verify your identity or if you are not being able to verify on cashapp. Now, if cashapp can't verify your identity, you may need to provide additional information. Now, to provide additional information, you first need to open the cashapp and go to the settings tab. Once you are in the settings tab, you need to select the identity verification option. Once you have selected the identity verification option, you need to select the verify identity option. Once you have selected the verify identity option, you need to follow the instructions that you will be prompted to, and then you'll have to provide additional information. Now, this is one of the quickest ways to verify. Now you can verify if you haven't started the verification process. Tap the profile icon on the cashapp home screen, tap security and privacy, look for identity verification section. If not, select verify and complete all the steps. So this way you can fix cashapp verification, or this way you can verify your cashapp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.